It has been far too long since I've been back at Disney's Hollywood Studios, guys. My full-on apologies. I've been at Universal a lot for Halloween Horror Nights, and I'm finally back here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Give you guys that quick update. I hit 80 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for that. And let's get inside. These are things. I have a fast pass for Star Tours, and let's get to update for you guys. And just like that, we are in. And to give you guys my update and everything, all this stuff right here, the show, I don't care. It doesn't bother me. Let's just walk through my fast pass. So coming up on Hollywood and Vine, these primetime and these two places is Echo Lake, I think. And it has been drained not only for the hurricane that we had a month ago, but they're also now refurbishing it, the entire thing. So hopefully soon they get refilled. There it is again. You can see they're doing some work on the boat as well. Looks like they got new tables out here too. This is cool. Looks like they got some brand new tables. Oh, somebody were damaged it. I've never really seen Frozen, but I heard it's good, it's funny, but at the exact same time, it's all copyrighted stuff. So I'm probably never gonna see it if it's all copyrighted stuff. Okay, so I'm going to One Man Dream Presents. Sorry, excuse me. Just so I see what this is gonna look like. I'm pretty sure it's far down, but let's go. Okay, I'll meet you guys when I get there. So here's Toy Story Land, guys. There's Woody Brothers. That's gonna be one of the new ride vehicles, and here's what it's gonna look like. Just looking at this, it definitely doesn't even be that long. Right. Basically, on the other side of this wall right here, so this is where the entrance for Toy Story Land is. It's gonna be over there now. You can see it right there. I'm pointing at it. Zoom in at you guys. Yeah. And there's what the ride's going to look like. Now, there's video of this ride coming into Hollywood Studios one day. I don't know where it is now, but that's which one we're looking at. I guess we're looking lift, I guess, or launching flip. I don't know.
Yes.
How it works? So,
However,
and right over here, is where Star Wars Galaxy Edge is going to be. Just not all of it, just part of it, I guess. Because they're going to have a Millennium Falcon ride, and I don't see the Millennium Falcon, so I guess it's just part of it. I guess until Toy Story opens up, and then they're going to move it over there, I guess, to make it bigger. But that's what you guys got so far. And if we can just turn right here.
I've just seen some stuff online.
That's what that's going to look like. You guys good? If you guys can read it, pause, get pause.
Well, that's much farther along. Yeah.
Star Wars 2019, Made it to my destination, Star Tours. One of my favorite rides here at Hollywood Studios. I think maybe the only ride I actually ever go on when I'm here at Hollywood Studios until the new Star Wars stuff open up. And okay, I was recording there. For some reason now, all of this is blocked off. There's something new that's open now. We'll have to take a look at that big enough Star Tours.
Star Tours is proud to introduce the Star Speeder 1000, the most sophisticated and luxurious space liner in its class. While other space lines pack you in like a
first time I backpack queue, and for some reason I normally get stopped up there, never back here. This was the first. Okay, so just reminds me saying that. I guess for somebody who is new working that line with it and what they're doing, the express line with the fast line, I'm now almost at the ride. It also looks like in Star Tours, looks like they redid all this too as well. That's kind of cool. Yes, I know some little things about this ride. This is one of my favorite rides here. Like I said, I love Star Wars. What can do with it?
Final reminder
Get F.
photography
Alright,
never permitted.
so just got Star Tours. one of the better pictures when you get Vader to begin with. I normally don't get Vader unless I'm with my buddy Rich, so seeing Vader for myself and her was great. I love the ride. Unbelievable, amazing. Also the pod race. Get some Star Wars stuff like that. Alright. Love the story, but hard is trying to get out. I'm going to stop by launch bay a little later. So I guess one of the most biggest things would be this wall right here. And the reason why I think they put the wall right there is because a lot of people could be recording videos. Excuse me. I think, you know, people were out there recording videos of Star Wars going to look like, and I guess they wanted to not tap anymore, so they put this wall here. But it looks like this new area, yeah, this is supposed to be a Grand Avenue or something from LA. I'm not sure exactly where, but this is the new area they have in. So this gives you where all the instructions are right here as well. So I guess they're working behind here now to get some more things finished for Star Wars Land. But this right here is what Star Wars Land is supposed to actually look like when it's done. But I'm gonna try to picture it. And just to give everyone that, you know, that explanation, yeah, this is what Star Wars Land is going to be actually looking like when it's done over with. Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, which I'm more or less really excited for it to do, so hoping 2019, it's beautiful, I love it. And when they had One Man Street at one point, they actually have that little bit more of like an update what's in the look. So we're going to look at there in a second, okay? And here is the backside of Disney, which is gonna be cool. Wow, we're really close up. That is really close up right there. You guys take a look at that. You see that? You can't really see the attitude there anymore, or the AT-AT anymore, but you can see they are very much working on this place very much hard as they can. But I can actually hear equipment being moved back there as well, so that sounds pretty cool. I hope you guys can hear it, so hopefully you guys did. Coming up on a very sad moment. Forrest big movie ride is no longer here. Great movie ride is no longer here. But you have basically Mickey and Minnie Runaway Railroad. Stay tuned, it's coming soon. Nobody knows when exactly it's coming, but they're gonna keep all this right here. They're gonna keep this just the way it looks. But this is the saddest thing I think I've ever seen. And there has been like pictures of construction sites happening of the things going away, so it's kind of hard and very sad to look at. But now we're going to one of my favorite areas inside of all Hollywood Studios, Launch Bay, because I can and I want to. And like I said earlier, you guys are still watching too. Again, very much sorry that I haven't been here in a while. Been at Universal, Hollywood Horror Nights. Pretty much I'm going back soon, very soon. And we just missed some stormtroopers. Tolerance 25 minutes. They finally got Last Jedi stuff up there. You guys see it? There you go. Last Jedi stuff. See, that's kind of cool and awesome. Right there as well. That's awesome. Let's see the launch bay, guys. I can legit hear stormtroopers on now. Oh, they're right here.
Hi Disney, everyone, welcome.
Just some two stormtroopers right there behind me. Walk behind me now. So inside of Launch Bay, they took the iguanas out of it. So yeah, who they got it here. But the reason why it's not is because Ray's supposed to be here soon. Just rumored right now it is. Don't think it's true. I'm not gonna be calling the figures in half an hour wait, and I don't have the time right now, so yeah, just a good walkthrough right now, I guess. AC. I'm 99% sure that is new. That has never been there before. Let's head on out of here. Okay, so as of right now, they renamed and themed this to from One Man Stream, Walt Disney, to Walt Disney Presents, from Mickey Mouse to the Magic Kingdom and beyond, where you have coming to Hollywood Studios, where we have most of the Star Wars land and things. Lord and Groot, no mainstream. Also, and again, I think for the hurricane, they moved this wall out here for Toy Story Land. Here's up in 2018.
Look, that's what they're building.
Oh man, you can't even see. I can't see right now. That's not so bright. But again, I think they brought this out too far. It's just for the fact that people would be taking pictures and they don't want that anymore. Because right now, there's nothing there. And they've done a lot to change the look of the wall. Let's play Guess the Wait Time for Toy Story Midway Mania. It's a 55-minute wait. That's nice sound. Excuse me. Here's what the other side of Star Wars Land is going to look like, as you can see. Plenty more work to be done. You know, it's done back here. Like I said, I can hear plenty of construction working right back there. I think those poles are new. There's Cruz Ramirez. Spoiler alert! Cruz Ramirez is the one who won the Piston Cup, and I stopped watching Toys after the first one, so cars don't really bother me anymore. I would like to say this is probably just a quick trip out to Disney's Hollywood Studios. I'm actually going to be leaving now and heading over to Animal Kingdom. So, I am off. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys are new, subscribe. If you guys haven't done so already, hit that like button for me. Leave a comment if you're excited for Star Wars Land or Toy Story Land. I'm kind of curious. I'm more excited for Star Wars. Huge Star Wars fan. Always jumping, but and what do you think of the new trailer for Star Wars? Let me know. And I'm very excited, kid. But yeah, until next time, guys. Peace.